Good morning. Welcome to the Phoenix Blue morning update on Thursday the 24th of August. My name's Simon Bolster and I will be taking you through the markets this morning. Okay guys, I just wanted to have a quick look at the data we had out yesterday. Bit of Euro data, you can see the green figures here. German flash manufacturing PMI slightly better than expected, which has seen the euro push a little higher yesterday. We also had crude oil inventories which came in as expected. We've also seen a bit of a rally in crude oil. Okay, so data to look out for today. We've got the second estimate of the quarterly GDP on the pound, and we've also got some unemployment claim data out of the US. So be aware if you're trading any pound pairs, there could be a bit of volatility this morning, and also US dollar around the open of the US session under those unemployment claims. Okay, so let's have a little look at the charts. So here's the dollar index. We can see prices floating around the 93 level. We can see that it's in a bit of a range. The tops here around 94 and the lows around 92, and we can see obviously that's right in the middle of that range. So no real clear direction here on the dollar index. Time to be patient and wait and see where this is going to go. We can obviously see the momentum is to the downside, but will we see a bit of a recovery, a break of 94 area? Let's wait and see. So here's a chart that we have got some trades running. This is a dollar CAD chart. We took from the highs up here around 126, which has been acting as a nice resistance area. So we've got a position running from around 126, and then we added in yesterday. We can see we've had a nice push down. The crude oil inventories helped with this, but we can see it's found a little bit of support here around the 125.30 area, but we are expecting our target of 125 to 124.80 to be hit in the near term. So just looking at sterling before we get this data out at 9:30. I mentioned to our members last week there was risk in the pound when we were holding this 128.50 support. We can see that's now broken. We're down here now to the next daily support level around the 128. Let's see where the pound goes after we get the news today. I can still see a bit further downside on the pound, but be cautious guys, and let's wait and see what happens. So the yen, we know dollar yen is the risk trade in the market. There's been plenty of risk in the markets, you know, over the last few weeks. We can see prices come all the way down into this major support area 109. It is holding at the moment guys, but you know, if American and North Korea tensions grow, we could see a lot of investors run to the yen and push this further down. So here's the euro guys we talked about earlier. Now this is the daily chart. You can see quite clearly it's in an area of consolidation. There's no real push in any direction. You can see I've just drawn this trend line on here, which is being respected. Let's be cautious with this one. Wait for a clear direction. We could see a push to the upside is my bias. Whilst this 117.80 area is holding as support, this purple zone here, but again be cautious guys, there is a lot of consolidation, so it's really one to wait and see. Here we have the WTI crude oil chart I mentioned earlier. So we've seen this rise from this 147 area. It's now floating around 48.50 zone. Bit of a messy chart though. I think if we look at the weekly chart, it gives you a better idea. You can see it's not any clear direction. We've kind of got a top here, bottom here, so very rangy, between that $54 and $42, and it's stuck right in the middle of that range. So be very cautious, guys, if you're trading oil. Okay, let's leave it there then, guys. Thanks for listening. Any questions, email us at info@phoenixblue.co.uk. Otherwise, have a great day, guys.